one is done frying.
Sounds like a group dog.
Happy Aloha Friday, everyone! Look at this beautiful double rainbow. I see rainbows a lot, but rarely do I see it with a blue sky. It's Super Bowl weekend, and here in Hawaii is a day where we set up the TV outside and barbecue with friends and family. Along with the grill, you can bring out your deep fryer and make this delicious Hawaiian treat, Poi Mochi. Alright, so to make the Poi Mochi, I do have a video with all the details for the instructions, along with the measurements for all the ingredients. But just to give you a rough idea, I'm going to be combining some poi, mochiko flour, sugar, and a little bit of water. And then we're going to be pouring them into hot oil where we're going to fry them into these yummy little mochi bites. So come along with me. So once you have all the ingredients mixed together, it should be a thick batter like this. I recommend making it on the thicker side so that your mochi balls can hold its shape. I'll show you in a little bit. Let's bring it outside. For our setup, we have our batter, our oil at 350 degrees, and our cooling rack. So the poi mochi should be round balls like this, almost like a ping pong size. So keep the batter close. Using this scooper is very helpful. This is called a little disher. And then once they're nice and brown, we'll throw them onto the cooling rack on this side. This is how I have too many of those moments. This is a perfect poi mochi ball. This one is done frying.
Sounds like a group dog.
It's good. Alright, so they are all done frying. This baby one. So just for reference, 1 pound of poi made a small pan of poi mochi balls.